How to create CRA account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to create CRA account. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for canada.ca. You will be led to the official webpage of Government of Canada. Here on the top right of your screen, you will see the Sign In button. Tap on that and in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the CRA My Account option you see there and then scroll down until you see the option for CRA Register. Tap on that once you see the CRA Register option. In the interface that you will then be led to, you will have to validate your identity. So go ahead and enter your social insurance number firstly, and then enter your date of birth. You will then have to enter your tax information. Make sure to enter line 15,000 from your 2023 income tax and benefit return. If your 2023 return has not been filed and assessed yet, enter line 15,000 from your 2022 return. Also, enter dollars only and tap on next. You will then be led to the interface that will ask you to create your account, so you will have to enter your account. So go ahead and enter your username and your password for your CRA account, and once you put in both of these details, then you will have an option for register. So tap on the register button and with this your CRA account will be created. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.